A winter storm is about to bring ice and snow deep into the southeast, very close to us here in North Florida. We're tracking it closely from the WRUF Weather Center. I'm Jeff Huffman, joined alongside UF forecaster Deborah. Alberto. Deborah, hard to believe we're talking ice and snow, maybe as close as like Tallahassee after today's weather.
I know. I'm really glad I got a chance to get outdoors and enjoy it. We hit the mid-70s today.
But just a few more hours of that warmth, and then winter comes storming back. Check out the warnings. Those purple colors up near Savannah, those are ice storm warnings. All the areas in pink, winter storm warnings. A winter storm watch is also in effect for parts of South Georgia. Those may be upgraded to a winter storm warning as the storm gets a little closer and the situation becomes a little clearer. Once again, this is not for us here in Gainesville, but we are very close to that. I'm going to give you the overview of the storm, and then Deborah's going to talk more about the exact timing of the rain because that's critical based on when the temperatures start falling, and I'm going to come in a little later and show you more on that as well. First, though, let's see what's happening with the front. It's going to come through tomorrow, but it's going to stall right overhead. There's going to be an incredible temperature difference tomorrow for central and southern portions of our viewing area versus the northern portions. Let me show you that again. The front moving in tomorrow stalls over Gainesville. A little bit of shower activity with the front once it moves through, but then the bulk of the rain comes in with this area of low pressure off the Gulf of Mexico. That moisture will be overrunning the colder air. Not cold enough here for frozen precip to be coming out of the sky. Definitely liquid, but cold enough for the possibility of some ice and snow up to our north. And Deborah, the timing on this, really critical, but I think tomorrow is going to be a fairly nice day.
It is going to be a nice day, Jeff. However, you should have that umbrella on hand as you could be seeing some brief showers throughout the day. I'm going to show you just the exact timing here. Here's a look at 6 a.m. tomorrow. That's when those brief showers will be overhead, and they're going to continue for the majority of your day. It's not going to be until around 8 o'clock. That was a look at 3 o'clock where you could still see those brief showers, but 8 o'clock is when I'm talking that front is going to be on our doorstep, and then come those overnight and early morning Wednesday hours. That's really when those roadways are going to be wet. They're going to be wet for most of the day here. Take a look at this at Wednesday at 8:20. We're going to be near that freezing mark.
And those temperatures are very critical, thanks, Deborah, to what type of precipitation falls. So we're going to see all those changes start on Tuesday, and then I'm going to walk you through Wednesday morning really slowly. So tomorrow morning, mild to start. When that front stalls out, as I showed you, look at the temperature contrast. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock, 73 Ocala, 44 in Lake City. So there's a split right across our viewing area on Tuesday. Then Tuesday night, the cold air takes over, moves in across all areas, and by Wednesday morning, we're going to be flirting with the freezing mark. Now, the temperatures aloft are not cold enough for snow. Temperatures at the surface, still not cold enough for anything frozen here in Gainesville, but very close to it up near High Springs and Lake City, where there could be a brief period of sleet on Wednesday morning. And then if the precipitation lingers long enough, maybe again on Wednesday evening as well. We're going to have updates on this for the next 2 days, especially on our Twitter account at WRUF Weather. Very nasty day for us Wednesday, but then look at how fast we bounce back temperature-wise on the 6-day forecast as I step out of the way. Upper 70s by Saturday.